What up, what up? Start up another little chill video. We out here today. About to plan to go to a little meet tonight at Eurofed here in Georgia. About to get the 340 cleaned up. And then he's actually doing work on the 350 that he's trying to take the motor out of. Pop's doing work. Busy day. Back?
Yep.
What are you doing?
Remember, before you play, you gotta get work done.
Yep.
So we here getting work done. You know, finish this shit, rack it up. Hopefully we catch the rush tonight. Pull 340 getting clean. Flips getting flipped.
Yep.
That's it.
What's up, Pop? Say what's up to the vlog.
Trying to help my son out when I can. I had to take a couple of breaks. I had to take a nap. I just tired, man. But a man, I don't know how the man does it. It's like an Energizer battery right there. I mean, I used to do it just like that. And now, I do it like this. I can't do it like that no more.
I would be worked so many years, be tore up. But the wifey was kind enough to give me a nice basket to have in the car, because I like to carry my own products in the car so that when I go to car washes and stuff. She got me a nice bucket to clean the car. Really nice drying towel. These are so nice, I love it. I mean, brand new wiper blades. Got me some interior detailing products. Real cool. We got this for the windshield, for the rain, the wipers. Love it. The detailer, leather conditioner. All set. We hooked up. Already installed one of those. Yeah, man. Shout out to the wifey. Hooked it up. Real nice parts. So we'll get all this little maintenance stuff done on the 340. And we're gonna start to clean it because you can see this thing's filthy. The exterior needs some help, dude. Wild. Hella shit in it. Alright, just got done cleaning the whip. Had to do a quick, I didn't record none of it because the car was really dirty. The sun is out. Trying to beat the heat so it don't get no water spots. It being the black car is horrible. But look at how good she looks. She ready for the meet tonight. Look at that. She look good. Stock whip setup, but she look good. Check that out. Listen, y'all might think it's excessive, but trust me, this is essential. All the towels, 2 drying towels, wheel cleaner, hydrophobics, quick detailer. Like, bro, car's looking sick, nice and clean, tire shine. Windows got clean with the Rain-X that my wifey got me. I did the wiper blades, so we're good if it rains. Car look good, super happy. Now let's get some cinematics. Clean, 640 clean. Let's do it. Got my boy O cleaning his whip. My 340 set next. Put a little bit of fuel in there, and then I think I just saw Benji coming.
Hey, y'all waiting on me? Hey, Kirk and shit.
You late, Beambo?
Y'all waiting on me? Yes, sir. Hey, what's up? I need that.
My boy's over here working hard.
Live Master told me, Benji, this shit is a lot of fun.
Damn, son.
One of the best right there.
Deontay just pulled up, about to see his whip. And we're also riding with an M340. Go to M340 right there. Shit is clean. LCI M340. And I'm on board Deontay. What's up?
Yo.
Clean E34 right here. Looking good. Dude, about to ride out. All the cars. M340 riding with the E34. Boy vlogging too. This dude. got from moderns to classics. This is gonna be a good event. Sure if you can see, but we got this sick ass GS300 riding with us. Thing looks nasty. And in typical Atlanta fashion, we're stuck in traffic, dealing with asshole drivers and shit, but we're gonna get there safely, you know what I'm saying? 8 minutes from the location. But the car still do a good thing, buddy. Made it to a quick little pit stop, about 5 minutes away. Car's doing good.
Down here, no issues. Where we at? We're about an hour. We're about an hour away from the casa. We're gonna see what this meat talking about. Seen a couple Porsches pulling out. I saw like a 992 coming off the highway.
Pit stop. Look at the lineup. This is fire. Cruising together, vibing. Yes, sir.
Boy, I had to use the bathroom, bro. I don't know, bro. Yeah, you talking about waterfall, man. I legit started thinking about that.
We good?
I can't wait. I just saw one of my cars coming go by it. What car? It's an NB5253-4 quadruple turbo.
About to pull into the spot, but this meet is active. RWB is gonna be here at this meet at Eurofed, and he's the one that does the Porsches and stuff. He'll be cutting them up and doing the custom body kits from Japan. So it's about to be lit. Off the rip, we start seeing cool shit. So heck yeah, man. This is fire. Oh yeah. 46 looks wild. This event turnout is crazy. There's so many cars out. We can't even get by. 1 Series right there looks good. 340i badge on a wagon. That's crazy. That's unique. I would love to get a wagon and make it a 340. Now that is... Figure out where to park at because it's crazy out here. And then we'll start to walk around and we'll record better cars and stuff like that. So for now, we just gonna park all the way in the back, just walk it out. Now when you talk about a car meet and how you're supposed to throw a car meet, this is what we're talking about. This is worth an hour drive all day, bro. Like, you got the M340, you got double-A, Supra, damn, that looks sick. Slam 740L on 4.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, it's cooked.
God damn it.
Yeah, that broke. Broke right in half. Yeah.
That's a very, very big turbo.
Do that to the N55.
That's a 6. That's a 6. I think a 68 Southern is what it looks like. That looks different.
Damn, that's crazy. It does sound pretty good.
Hey, what's up? We getting them threes? Hey, whenever y'all ready, bro. I'm down. That'd be nice. You've been owning B58 for about 3 weeks now. How do you feel about the BR30?
Still love that.
I like those. Man. See what I'm saying?
That's BS.
B58 on it.
Now he talking about gapping any Q50 and stuff.
I like those.
Me personally, this right here is tasteful. That's the type of cars we got out here. Georgia don't play either when it comes to car shit. Yeah, it's like a good spec too. They're up there. Man, these wagons. No, he's inside the shop.
Oh, this is the shop here?
Mm-hmm. I like these RS3s too. This is nasty, but I love these. IS 500, they sound crazy. Shit look wild. Look at this 5.0. Things look good. Yeah, 5 Series over there looks crazy.
Right now, like they don't. We don't think the B58 is easy to repair. That shit's like.
Look at that. The 340i wagon. 440, but this is sick. Has the performance brakes. It says 340 though. That's crazy. Yes. Two over there. Look at this pop. This looks insane. There's one right here already. Look at that. RWB. Sick. Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, 2025, baby, look alive, put it in the bag. This is what I'm gonna start to tell y'all guys. You know, got the Turbo S over here in the corner. You know, perfect. This is all I need right now.
Oh yeah.
Perfect, bro.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Like this right here.
That's perfect.
Guys, this right here, 911 Turbo S.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. This is the spec that you would want.
Yep.
It's probably half the price of what a GT3 is going to be, and it'll probably do a second slower than what a GT3 would do as a cup car. And with downpipes in the turbo, we make like 700 wheel.
That should get down right there.
It'll make 700 wheel both
The
times.
color with the yellow is wild.
This spec This is something that you would see if I owned that shit would have 100,000 on it.
MG80 on B-Lux. Where's Pops at? He wants to go inside. He's probably already in there. Yep. Let's go. Yeah, Turbo S is wild. Oh, look at this right here. This is what Deontay's car is like. But this thing is like immaculate. Oh my goodness. Wild. Look at this. 30. Oh yeah. Yo, but then you see this. Damn.
The thing is, like, you gotta. I feel like these are cars that when you put them online, you see them on Instagram or driving, you gotta appreciate them in person.
Yeah, for sure. Person, they look different.
It's one of those cars that you wouldn't even change the ride height. You wouldn't change the. I mean, there was nothing that you would change about it in person.
Mm-hmm. Crazy.
You can't even lower it. I mean, I wouldn't even lower it.
Oh, it's perfect.
I would leave it just like that.
It's perfect. What would you do for that, Benji? What would you do for that?
I do some crazy things, bro.
Give an example right now. First thing to your mind.
All I'm gonna say is that's what I would do for it. I would take out my nutsack and split it in half, pull them out, and go inside and sell my liver. Damn.
For that?
Yeah. He wouldn't be
committed.
He
committed.
You wouldn't be able to drive it. So this is how. Bro, this could be Bankhead Auto.
Ooh. Yo, even down, damn, those look good too.
They have that big influence. And where in the world you fly to? People just.
Oh yeah. Intense.
Yeah. Gotta record the content easy. Double R?
Yeah.
That
shit fire.
That's what I'm saying, bro. The 535i. Can't beat it.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Sometimes I'm telling you, bro. 2008, 2010, best year for cars, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you guys noticed, but we had a 350Z, 2008. $150,000.
I've never given them the
Bro,
breakdown
you guys, listen.
of that car. I need to post
Me and
that up throwback.
David, 2 years ago, we built a freaking bone stock HR eBay turbo kit. I did a rear mount turbo setup on it, and we boosted it. We put it on a dyno one time, and it made 400 horsepower, 4 psi
Without a wastegate ring.
Without a wastegate ring, so the firing ring was out of the car. When we put the firing ring in that car, we had it on 8 psi, and that thing was nasty.
And it wasn't fully tuned because of that issue.
We never went back. We did a hardwired 525 Hellcat fuel pump on 1100cc injectors. No, 1050
cc's.
1050s.
Not even IDX, just
And we
regular
had that
1050.
Sonogun at 16 psi, keeping up with Hellcat. eBay
Hellcats,
turbo.
a Pro Charge Vet. I beat the Pro Charge Vet by a little bit.
We beat we kept
The
up with
N54 I kept up, but that was
kept up
making
with the-
700 to the
we
wheels.
kept up with the 335i. That was, we were racing down the on our way to an event.
Oh,
And the
it was
car-
Mexico. It was Mexico.
Well, it was Mexico. It definitely was Mexico. But it was when I tell you the car was super impressive. And the thing was, we are nowhere near the capabilities of where we're at now, especially with the V bands on the cold side. We had couplers on everything. It was
Couplers popping off.
I'm telling you, so it was well worth it.
Okay.
We had maybe how much money do you
This
think we
looks
had
fire.
in the turbo kit? Right here.
Oh yeah. I mean, in the turbo kit parts, everything was affordable eBay. So it was probably like $2,500 for everything, but you did the fab work for
Yeah,
me.
we did the fab work, but like I said, the guys, like the car put in work.
Oh, yeah.
Best bang for your buck. If you want to keep up with some badass cars, get you a 350Z HR 08, 07. 07 had ECU issues with them.
Yes.
08,
And
it's
boosted.
gonna. I'm talking about you boost it. It's gonna keep up with some nasty cars. All you need is a good clutch
Yup.
and driving mod.
Facts. Yo, these are hard too, bro.
To be a base model, it doesn't even need to be this. GT4, if you can do like a GT4 conversion kit, this is sick. That's a GT4, fact. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Got the Mercedes coming up right here.
Oh, that thing is fitted.
This thing is right here. This thing is fitted. This is exactly how you want it. That's how I would do it. That's got to be on air.
You be selling IS 500? Yo, Pop, I like those Lexus. That's sick too.
I do that while I walk.
And I slow down.
Hurricane coming.
That's the one you were talking about.
Oh yeah, this
You
is
know what I
different.
mean? You see the difference?
Yeah, that's different.
This is what we're talking about.
You're talking about that being nice,
Yeah,
but
that's
this,
nice, but this.
that's where it's at. That's not even a GTR.
That's not.
Oh,
I know.
but it's sick.
Absolutely nice. I know.
That looks sick.
Boy, just picked it up.
Yeah.
I love that. That shit always. That stop. Yeah, that right there. That shit always looks good.
is fire too. I like these. E60. I give me a
Right
E60
there,
535 rod.
That's the one.
I'll take that over a hard on.
Oh yeah, that's big.
I like them.
That's big drum right there. All right.
How much is the orange?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all need to give me some wheels, bro. I'll take that too. Looks hard.
Yo, we're right here in the front. The street. We're looking at all. Yeah, we're looking at all the cars.
Oh, the super socks? That's hard.
Yeah, yeah.
You trying to run them?
Did we get the interview on why he switched?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that video won't come out soon.
And
That-
it came like that.
That video about to
That's
come out
what
soon.
happened.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Woke up and I was like, I was digging in my pocket and then it just popped up.
You're not committed. You let the Q50 go for a B58. That's why.
Yo, look at this shit.
He said I can't see the colors. Right here, David.
Yo, I'm telling you, I will get one, bro. Yo,
It's when you let it get up there.
bro, I would get
I would
one
do
of them.
quads on that.
Oh my
I would
god.
do quads on that car. That car.
Yo,
I hope it hits it.
M5. Do you like those?
Yeah.
Oh my
Good 60 and 5. Definitely.
But they're unreliable, right?
Yeah, but so what? Sometimes you gotta do it.
You know how hard it is to work on it?
Nah, I don't
It's
care.
hard enough to work on the
everything.
V8s. Now imagine the V10s.
Listen, I'll work on everything. You got oil?
Shit got down though.
That's when they start getting
Before this shit gets shut down, we gotta start heading out. So this meet been a vibe, chilling. We haven't done this in a minute. And when I say a minute, I don't mean a regular meet. This here is what you expect when you talk about a little meet.
People need to start lowering and putting wheels on this shit before anything happens.
For real.
Man, look at this.
That's why coilovers was one of the first things I did.
That's a G-Series. You're doing everything but wheels and suspension.
Facts. That I agree with 100%. They want to be full bolts on the 85 on stock suspension and stock wheels.
I feel like you throw shade. I'm talking to Rodney. I feel like everybody needs
I'm
to-
throwing
I feel
shade,
like
but that's me too.
This is my shit, though. I feel like
No, but I got coilovers though. I got coilovers. I like my shit fitted. And my shit fitted on spacers for now.
I feel
Different.
like everybody needs to experience their car slammed on stock.
Yeah, car slammed on stocks. You gotta
You have
experience
to
that.
experience it, bro.
No,
You gotta
100%.
see your car on stocks.
Bro, there's always 340 on her, bro. Benji, look at this. 340i wagon on 403Ms with the M Sport brakes. Yo, I would love that.
Yeah, I love it.
Right? Something unique.
I don't Or I hope he just didn't put the 340 in.
Oh, that would be wild.
Well, that dude
Turn it on, it sounds like a little 4-cylinder. Getting dark. No point in making any more content. We saw what we had to see. About to ride out, get some food. Sir, getting ready to ride out now. Meat was fire. Crazy fire turnout. Finally, start of the summer. First meet that I've been to that's been good. So shout out to Eurofed, shout out to RWB. This was lit. Hopefully we get into some more action like that again soon. But yeah, man, this meet was crazy. Got a lot of inspiration for my build, a lot of ideas. You know, I'm ready to get wheels next and get to cooking up some stuff. So y'all stay tuned. But I'm about to grab a bite to eat and then ride home, and then I'll probably be close to it for the video. Oh, this car sounds crazy with that dump. Left the spot, we just got some orders. Cars are loud as fuck. But we're about to ride through some races apparently, so we're about to see what the fuck happens. She is moving, bro. Oh, TU pump 93 downpipe. That's it. Putting in work. Y'all see the mileage? Yes, sir. Let's see what this lamb on. The lamb don't want it. Ready, bro. Well, the Lamborghini didn't want it. The little Huracan didn't want it. But we continue to cruise.
Turn left, then turn right into the parking lot.
Coming up to the spot. Closer and closer. About to see what the action is out here. Bumpy ass roads.
Turn right into the parking lot, then arrive at your destination.
The turbo swirl sounds wild. We got a couple cars out here. Evos, I see M340s, I see a good bit of everything, a good little mixture of everything. We'll see what tonight brings. Then we out here in Mexico, you know what I'm saying? To see what the vibes are here. You already know, we got a cool little meetup spot up here in the north. All the guys on, then we got a couple cars out here. See what's out here. Oh yeah.
I know what you want.
Just showed up. 8 a.m. boy.
Which one stopped? That M2. He has to be stopped.
Yeah, but you saw the other 340?
Yeah, he got a hybrid.
Does he?
Yeah.
Damn.
That's what we talking about, right? He got hybrid now. But I feel like maybe got him, bro.
You know what you do? You fucking jump.
I'm so serious.
1, 2, ooh.
Yo, the band's gonna jump, bro.
Dan's always
Band's
jumps.
gonna jump every time.
They don't want to jump, bro.
Yeah, like they don't know what they don't know what they be doing, bro. They just got they be trying to drive them 340s like Hellcats. That'd be tripping, bro.
Fans don't want to be like first one to there win. They already be halfway there, bro. Come on.
Bands be like, let's catch runs, and then he starts swimming through traffic. Shut the hell.
Let's get there.
Big turbo, M340.
Oh, he stopped.
Oh, he coming back around.
Yeah,
That shit hard.
that bitch is fire. The RPS.
Tires.
Yeah. These shit too tough. That shit different.
They're about to catch runs right now.
Yeah, I think so. So what?
About to catch runs right now. It is.
I had to set up the car nice.
I wanna
I can see that being your setup, though, something like that.
on this one.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
I like the Gen 1. This shit hard. That's just stock turbo.
I probably would have been the one to get active.
Yeah.
Honestly. Well, this one right
Second meetup spot was lit. We was chilling here for a minute. No, it's all good. Having a good time with the guys. I'm about to hit the highway. About a 50-minute ride home. About to be cruising. We lit, bro. Been a minute since we've been out on a freaking Thursday night chilling like this. Got my exhaust dumping. Shit lit. Let's hop on this highway. Underpass. Bro, for 215,000 miles, this car moves. Shit, faster than my old one already. Took the wrong exit. Well, I'm about to loop back around, hit the highway again. Made it back to the highway.
to go under the freaking tunnels and stuff, so we're about to get some good sound clips.